good principal is not just the head of the school but the heartbeat of the institution. With immense respect and joy, I take this opportunity to invite our newly appointed principal sir. Kindly come on the stage and say a few words of wisdom with us. Please give a big clap for our principal sir.
So very good afternoon to all the teachers and my dear children. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. First of all, I appreciate Harshada ma'am and all the teachers. Big appreciation for Harshada ma'am for your hard work. And all my children, you have done and you have proved to be the best children in the world. And you have a very good talents within you. And in the course of time, we will give you a number of opportunities wherein you can improve a lot. It's just a beginning. So maybe in the coming time, what mistake that we have made today, we will not repeat it again. So as we are celebrating the Independence Day, when we hear the word Indian, the blood cells within you should shine out. And when you hear that you are an Indian, you should feel proud. Because our country consists of unity and diversity, where we have a beautiful culture, where we have very great scientists, doctors, engineers, entrepreneurs, and we have achieved many fields, we have achieved great success. And during this time, we have to remember our freedom fighters. We have to pay homage that we are free today because of their struggle. And we have to pray for our defense ministry, especially for our soldiers who protect us, our borders, who sacrifice their life for us. And we are safe today because of them. And we have to, how many of your parents are soldiers here? Just to put up your hands. Kitne बच्चे का पापा है और फोर्स में है?
Army.
We pray for all of them, and we are grateful that your parents have sent you here to get an education. And I appreciate Bhuvaneshwar sir, who has taken a lot of struggle teaching you the value of singing. And I appreciate all the teachers for maintaining a well-disciplined over here during the time of the program. आप लोग बहुत अच्छा से मैनेज किए से बच्चे को. मैं भी बहुत आभार हूँ बच्चे से, क्योंकि आप लोग बहुत डिसिप्लिन में बैठे थे. तो मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी का बात है. मेरे बहुत खुशी से मेरा दिल टूट रहा है, क्योंकि इतना डिसिप्लिन यू हैव. एंड आई अप्रिशिएट Ashutosh sir and Amarjit sir, Nilesh sir and Nayak sir for doing this decoration over here. And I appreciate Arati ma'am for making this Rangoli. So it's always proud that you have done something for the school today. You have done something. मैं आज आया हूँ स्कूल में, मैं स्कूल के लिए कुछ किया हूँ. You know that. So I appreciate the anchors of the program. They have done great. You can still go ahead. You have a long way to move. Go ahead. Improve, improve, improve. So I appreciate all the children, those who have participated, especially your parents, who made you well decoration and they sent you to the school. And a big appreciation for all of them. And I appreciate all the drivers, cleaners, all those who have worked over here to make this day a beautiful one. I appreciate the school management for their support, for their inspiration, for their cooperation and collaboration. So my dear children, try to be good and start falling in love with our country, our culture, our education. You understand? So always don't try to divide our country based on caste, color, creed, religion. अभी भी पार्टीशन चल रहा है. पहले हिंदू मुस्लिम का पार्टीशन था. आज क्या पार्टीशन हो रहा है हमारे देश में? ठाकुर, पंडित, गौतम परिवार, वो परिवार, ये परिवार, अभी भी लड़ाई हो रहा है. वो है पार्टीशन, बड़ा पार्टीशन. वो कास्ट में हूं मैं ये कास्ट का हूं, मैं वो कास्ट का हूं. No, always think that you are an Indian. Don't forget that. If you all come under a single umbrella, that is Indian Bharat. So always remember that. We are all equal as a human beings. We are all equal. So try to love our country, try to love our people, and live a peaceful life. I wish you all the best of the day. God bless you all.